going back to our main discussion. We are writing this class name called shape tester. What this shape tester code contains. Okay, we are going to write a specific syntax, and that must be something that you must have learned before. So just help me with it. Public static void main string square brackets args bracket, then flower bracket open, flower bracket close. Okay, this is what we are going to write inside that particular shape tester class. But we are saying that shape tester is a class, right? If we are saying that shape tester is a class, then it should have its own block as per Java, and that is written like this. We just write public class, and class name is shape tester. Okay, and one thing to observe here is that we are writing shape tester and providing its flower brackets, right? And then we are writing public static void main part, which is written inside the shape tester class. Okay, clear now? So let us write this type of a syntax in our shape tester class that we have just created and deleted the code inside, deleted the auto generated code inside. Okay, cool, right? Now, when you are typing your code, what I suggest is, after you have typed that public class name, and then you have typed your flower bracket, let us say like this. Okay, you have opened the flower bracket, and then when you just press enter, it will automatically create the closing bracket. Okay, that way you will not be like maybe making mistake of providing multiple flower brackets which may not be matching, and then later giving you any kind of syntax errors. Okay, so ideally all IDEs support this type of a behavior. It is a better way of writing code in your IDEs. Okay, now inside that, again, another thing, observe when you are pressing enter that cursor, this red color marker, you can see that cursor automatically places itself a little bit inside than your main margin of your class. Okay, that is another way of writing code in a friendly way, in the sense so that it is more clear to anyone else who is going to read your code. Okay, so here we are typing public static void main curve brackets and then string. When we are writing string, observe that we are writing S capital. Okay, and then curve bracket close, go to the next line, flower bracket open, and then flower bracket open, press enter so that it creates that new closing flower bracket. Okay, that way you will not be making any typing mistakes, you will not get any syntax errors or errors in general. Okay, cool. We will discuss more about why exactly we are writing public static void main and etc. later, at least not in this week. Maybe by the end of the week or maybe the next week, not now. Okay, for now, just follow. Just follow, and that's it. Okay, so now let us go back to our main BlueJ window in our code pad where our code is already there. Okay, or maybe you can go to your terminal window where code is recorded, right? So I'm going to my terminal window. In my terminal window, I'm going to copy some part of the code. So I'm copying this part. Okay, so circle 3, you can see the first line is creating circle 3 object, then I am making circle 3 visible, and then the other two instructions are related to circle 2, which are not meaningful. Okay, so I'm only copying circle 3 related code, copying that. Okay, I'm going to my editor. Okay, and here inside my main method I'm pasting them. Okay, fine. Now when I paste it, you can see that circle 3 part is exactly placed where I have pasted, but the next line went down to the left margin. Okay, so just to move it rightwards, just go to the beginning of it, beginning of that particular line, and press tab on your keyboard till that line comes exactly below the previous line. Okay, so in BlueJ editor, you can observe that there is a color coding for the blocks also. It kind of makes it easier to see where which part is visible. So in this case, green area is representing the class and yellow area is representing the method, this main part, and inside the area, white area is representing all the instructions that we are writing inside our main. Okay, so here I am going to just close this and I'm going to my main window of BlueJ. Okay, and I'm compiling it. Okay, when I click on this compile button, it compiles the whole project. If you want to compile only one particular class, you can right click on the class and you have an option available to compile. That will compile only that class. Okay, then when you right click on shape tester class, you observe that there is a new option available, void main. Okay, what is this void main? We will see, but for now let us just click on that void main, and it is asking something like this. Click OK, and then what is happening? You see, it has created this circle object, and not only created the circle object, it also has made it visible onto the screen. Okay, so now what we will do, we will do few more things into my code pad. Let us say I am writing something like this, circle 3 dot. After making it visible, I want to move it horizontal by, let us say, 100 pixels, semicolon. Okay, that code let me just copy and I'm putting it in my shape testers main part. Save. Okay, I am pasting it there, going back to shape tester, compile. Okay, and then I am going to run it with the help of void main. Okay, basically it is getting created here and it is moving here, and that is happening when you are running main method.